Regeneration is bringing back what was once destroyed. This is our planet, and we need to look after it.
Bakanyelangirira kwerevera erienga ni muri wanyandreke nabu banyibulya ngangari janja banyet
pamavendure emeremere yetu tukasamalira ihanga lyetu kusangwa lerifata ilo ndeke liwene ndeke muri mutaku wene.
Climate change is already affecting African ecosystems and the rural communities that depend on them. The Global Evergreening Alliance Restore Africa program is the world's largest community-led land restoration carbon removal program. Climate asset management provides catalytic investment to make this possible with the farmers. So the focus is on ensuring farmers have a livelihoods, but then we have a component that's investable, and those are the carbon removals.
Agriculture is the backbone of Uganda. We cannot live without agriculture. I have to protect my land, such that I do carry agriculture on it to support my family.
Restore Africa is supporting millions of vulnerable farming families by empowering them with the skills and knowledge they need to improve their livelihoods, income and food security.
Abokuba nkabantamanyire okulinda obuhangwa nokulinda itaka baitu ekitongole kino bukyayizire kikankonyera kulinda kurungi itaka lyange nokulinda ebirumwa byange okwikara biri birungi n'orwezo mu itaka.
FMNR is farmer managed natural regeneration. You do your farming as you manage the growing of the trees. You just manage what was there naturally.
Baitu abo itaka tibyaba kurungi ebintu byange baitu ati bwen kubyara emiti obwire buno kijja kunyongeraho ntitaka emiti gino ejja kuletamo ekirisa habintu byenkulima bisobole kugoborera mu mbiro by'omaiso.
Wero yikangasira kutsibu ekyo kubanza emere miliyi yekatoke nashokere bamechereri nelishe family yawe. Ekyakabere ngatokere bana musukuru fiziya bana.
Letting the coming generation keep knowing that they are existing because there is nature. Without nature there is no life. So we live by the trees. Everything is done by the trees. Yes.
Korole itaka lyange kiri kikuru habwange habwokuba kugonza itaka lyange likale lirimu orwezo kulirinda kurungi.
Obulemi bw'omulembe buno bunalimire buno ngalangira sibota oberingi musa wabere goberana abantu abande kunde nganaleba ya bubutuko bonde emiti ikayinimbo herishengwe nabwe base basenye ebatukiriye wotikibwa nabo maka wabo.
Women are key in the Restore Africa program. In the recruitment process, the women are key in identifying what crops they would like to grow on their land, especially for food and also for livelihood. They've already got training and knowledge on group formation, on saving, on how to improve incomes. They realize that we have to conserve this land if it has to continue feeding us.
nilimbili twa balimi erilangira uti emirimo yatu kalima mumalima wera ikalinda wabahangu niko tukiali tuni muwoba kundu embuto yawo kabiba yawo kasalima mobutuku embere.
Being part of the project that brings change, it gives me pleasure. I will be recognized as a hero, a natural fighter for nature.
Together we can sow the seeds of positive change and cultivate a brighter tomorrow for farming communities around the world.